Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Google account. Before you begin, it's crucial to understand the permanent nature of this action. Take a moment to download all your important data, like photos and emails, to ensure nothing is lost. Also, review any services or subscriptions linked to your account, as they will be affected. This preparation step is vital for a smooth process. Now, let's walk through the steps. First, open your web browser and go to your Google account. Once there, look for the Data and Privacy section on the left-hand navigation panel. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Your Google Account. This is the main gateway to initiating the deletion process, so click on it to proceed. After selecting the deletion option, Google will ask you to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure it's truly you making this significant change. Carefully read all the information presented, especially the warnings about data loss. Once you fully understand the implications, you will be prompted to confirm your decision to permanently delete your account. Take your time here. Once confirmed, your Google account and all its associated data, including emails, documents, and photos, will be permanently deleted. While there might be a very short recovery window, typically around 30 days, it's not guaranteed. Remember, any services or apps linked to this account will also cease to function. This is why the initial preparation is so incredibly important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.